Introducing the magic frying pan iron claw. Don't you feel that the common iron frying pan is too heavy? Not this one. It weighs only 2 pounds at a 10-inch diameter. First, the meat. With the heat storage capability of the iron claw, even such a thick steak can be cooked at home. Look at this delicious browning. It locks in the flavor of the meat. Even a 10-inch iron frying pan is light and so easy to hold. Leave the grilling to the iron claw. After placing the fish on the pan, brown it on both sides over medium heat for a few minutes, keeping an eye on it. When the fish is browned on both sides and cooked through, it's ready. The steel used is KUROKAWA steel, which is very resistant to rust and has a matte, chic black color that is cooler than regular steel. It weighs only 2 pounds 930 grams. Here is the secret of lightness. This spatula squeezing process has succeeded in reducing weight by 20% compared to ordinary frying pans. This technique was developed by craftsmen in Osaka, Japan. There is no need for the baking process to remove rust inhibitors at home. Iron claw is not coated with rust inhibitors, but rather, due to the hard tempering process, it is acclimated to oil from the time of delivery. After many meetings, the product is ready. Creative outdoor. Nowhere but here. Landscape.